Following the reclassification of welding fumes by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, AWS has made the decision to reposition the 3M Speedglas 9100 Air PAPR with a sharper price point. Now, AWS is the exclusive agent for 3M Speedglas welding helmets in Australia and New Zealand, and the move will help make powered air respiratory protection more affordable for Aussie and Kiwi welders. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The 3M Speedglas 9100 Air combines the largest viewing area on the market with Speedglas True View, which allows the welder to view their weld with better clarity and more colour. When combined with the peripheral side windows, the Speedglas 9100 Air gives welders vision like no other welding helmet currently on the market. An external button allows the welder to bounce between welding settings and grind mode without touching the welding lens interface. So, to learn more about the Speedglas 9100 Air with AdFlow PAPR, visit the AWS website at awsi.com.au. And thanks for watching.